cancer is a disease that develops as a result of aberrant bodily activity.
Cancer is a serious disease that grows over time and affects the bodily structure and cell. So, what is breast cancer? Breast cancer is one of the many cancers that grows on the chest region and mostly attacks women throughout the world. In Indonesia, breast cancer has caused almost 15,000 deaths, with the characteristic of male suffer being 0.6% and women being 2.2% per 1,000 population.
According to the World Health Organization, there was an increase of 12.7 million cancer cases in Indonesia from 2008 to 2012. Based on Globocan data in 2020, the number of new breast cancer cases in Indonesia reached 68,858 cases, and the number of deaths reached more than 22,000 cases.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are Tiki Team.
My name is Ghaniyya Putri Lusendra.
My name is Marsha Faradhiani Nadyara,
And we are from
SMA Negeri 1 Semarang.
For our title project is
The effectiveness of active compounds Ceperus rotundus L and Acalipa indica L extracts
and phytochemical, in vitro, and in silico tests as breast cancer drugs candidate. Chemotherapy is a modern treatment technique that can be used to treat breast cancer. This therapy is carried by means of regular checkups and regularly taking medicine by the hospital. But as you know, chemotherapy is expensive and many side effects. Therefore, we are looking for new alternatives by taking herbal medicines. Herbal medicines that we will use is teki grass and anting-anting grass.
Teki grass or Ceperus rotundus lin is widespread in tropical and subtropical areas, growing in almost all types of soil. This plant is a weed that is difficult to eradicate because it produces tubers which make this plant regenerate quickly. However, not many people know this benefit of teki grass. According to phytochemical results, this teki grass contains flavonoid, tannin, alkaloid, and terpenoid.
Anting-anting grass or Acalipa indica lin is a wild wind plant that is often found in tropical areas such as America, Africa, and Asia. This plant can be found all year round in Indonesia. Anting grass contains flavonoids, steroids, and tannins. The secondary metabolite content has potential therapeutic from this plant, namely as anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, anti-diabetic, anti-obesity, and anti-venom, as well as wound healing activity. After carrying out the phytochemical test for 2 weeks, the results show that Ceperus rotundus L and Acalipa indica L had similar positive contents in flavonoids and tannins. The two flavonoids will be combined and derivatives of flavonoid, namely flavonol and camphorol, will be taken, which will be the subject of further research in the in silico test on casein kinase 2 alpha or beta protein. In silico analysis of Ceperus rotundus L and Acalipa indica L extract was carried out on flavonoid derivative ligands, namely flavonones and camphorol, by looking for binding affinity, molecular docking, and toxicity on flavonone and camphorol ligands against protein casein kinase 2 alpha. The best binding affinity result is on -7.2. It was found that the camphorol ligand was far superior to flavonones through docking using the FINA method. The lower the binding energy value, the higher the affinity. The ligand with the lowest binding energy will facilitate the binding of the ligand to the protein target.
Molecular docking by combining camphorol ligand and casein kinase 2 alpha beta protein produce a strong bond due to the absence of water content in 3D visualization of the previous protein. Camphorol can bind to protein, and the high affinity of camphorol compound will facilitate the interaction of the two bonds. Apart from that, from the Protox web's result, the target ligand show negative result for its toxicity. indicated that camphorol is classified as safe and tends to be easy to synthesize in drug production. Next, in vitro testing with bacteria and extract that have been incubated for 6 days using the method 3 times repeated in the lab. The resulting inhibition zone will inhibit bacteria after incubation. The ratio of Teki to anting extract of 1:2 and 2:1 was success in inhibiting E. coli bacteria with an average size of Mohr equation 10. So the most effective ratio is 2:1 with the highest value. The resulting inhibition zone can potentially be used as a drug to inhibit breast cancer. The conclusion of this research is that the extract of Sapperus rotundus L have been proven to inhibit cancer. The extract can be used as an alternative herbal medicine in breast cancer.
So, from all of this research, we try to make some products. There is tea, capsule, and body cream. So, we hope this research is useful for all of you guys. Thank you and bye!